Hi, this is Kevin with KGMJAM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to proadvertisersclub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, today they're dropping the postseason 2021. They have a standard pack, premium pack on Topps NFTs. They were originally on Wax for the first series, and then they moved over to what is now Avalanche. And they're doing this drop today. There's 6,000 of the standard and 20,000 of the, there's 6,000 of the premium and 20,000 of the standard. And so I'm going to go ahead and this is the premium pack. So let's go ahead and open. I think there's 8. Okay, so the first one is Justin Turner, and my computer's frozen up. Let's see if I can get it to unfreeze. There we go. And it's a common 307 of 663. Next one's a common Gio Urshela, and 211 of 639. Third one's an uncommon 310 of 451. Cody Bellinger, that's a common 483 of 642. Liam Hendricks, 483 of 682. How many I got left? I can't tell because it's frozen. Austin Meadows, 368 of 642. Jose Abreu, 117, 647. And Adam Wainwright, 257 of 689. And that's it. So let me see. So 8. It's not a great pack, but not a total loss. So anyway, that's it for the premium pack. I'll be opening a common pack later. All right. Thank you.